Blessing viewers and subscribers don't know the tingle. Well, people, right about now, I have some sad news, people, because you don't know another entertainer drop out, people, and not just saying an entertainer who sing. You understand? He's a DJ and a popular disc jock in Jamaica who goes by the name DJ Vernom, and he was currently working at Fame FM, where he's been working for several years now, people. And it is said that this entertainer was traveling last night on his motorcycle on the Spanish Town bypass when he collided with a female who was crossing the road, people. Unfortunately, it's sad, the female never make it, and when they identify her, she is a 25-year-old student of Utech. You understand? So right now, people, the whole RJR Communications group right now is in mourning of the passing of this DJ, because he was a great DJ, people. And anybody who listen to Fame FM from recent years coming up now, under know DJ Vernom, you understand? Him play upon several of the little outings them where them have on them thing there, and you know what I mean? It's just sad to know how people can just lose them life like that. You just don't know people, you know what I mean? He could have been driving a car and you hear the same thing, you know what I mean? Unfortunately, he was on his motorcycle, which was where motorcyclists claimed life of so many people in Jamaica in this year 2019 and other years going, you know what I mean? But Joe, we just sad people, you know, and just look at it, the female just gone like that. She was crossing the road. Basically, he never see her, people, or speed maybe what he was going with, you know what I mean? So when he hit her, the impact of that maybe tear her up, mash her up, and then he maybe fell off the bike and broke his neck or everything. Maybe he never have on him gear, protective gear, him helmet or anything like that, you know what I mean? But it's just sad. And from me, Newlink Production, I just want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of DJ Vernom, to his friends and everybody, you know what I mean, and hope, and may his soul rest in peace, you know. And it's just sad to know, people. And for the female, the 25-year-old Utech student, my deepest condolences to the family, and may her soul rest in peace, you know what I mean, because in time like these, people, it's not nice and it's not a good feeling losing a loved one, you know what I mean, because yeah, we just get this chance to be with them and they are just gone. So again, my deepest condolences. You don't know the thing of yours and my subscribers. You don't know this is Newlink from Newlink Production. Big up to my roaster who always in the background. You don't know the thing of people. Blessed love. Peace. I'm out. Big up.
Hey, we saw a movie of you and Jay doing it.